the gold. So when I tell you that we are in a risky market environment, where am I thumb sucking that from? The honest truth is that there is the initial system where there is no ghost rule, where there is no closing before the end of the night, okay? So that we are actually holding through the trades throughout. And if we go over here, you will see that this is the initial system with the track record where we hold overnight, where we do not apply the ghost rule. So anywhere where you see black, you can see that we held overnight. 24th of October to the 28th of October, 29th of October to the 30th of October. These mean that we closed within the same day, okay? So what you will notice is that there are a lot more losses than with our high probability trades where there's a lot more profits, okay? Same with medium probability trades. There's a lot of losses with medium probability trades compared to high probability, which is why we stick to high probability trades. Done. So if we stuck to the initial system, no ghost rule, held overnight, this is what it currently looks like. So take a look how many losses we have avoided, as I've been telling you. So how do I track this and tell you when we are in a risky market environment? I have the weekly stats night. So now you're going to get this. Below the email, there is a link saying click here for the track record, and you're going to get the high probability trade night, okay? So just so you know, there's no medium probability trades in this journal over here on this tab, but we do hold overnight and we do not follow the ghost rule for this tab. That's just what I wanted to show you. Over here is the weekly stats. So this is where we hold overnight. So you can see that the market is still profitable. The system is still profitable. It's up 6,426 points, okay, over a year, which is not bad. And you can see that here there would have been about four losing weeks in a row, okay? And you can see here is a losing week. Those are 2 losing weeks. There's a week. There's 3 losing weeks. Here are 3 winning weeks. Here are 4 winning weeks. So we are following the system initially. We're not taking these trades, but we are following it because that is how you backtest, forward test, and real test and compare where you are to where you were. Okay, so even this is a profitable system if you just followed it, but it's not good enough. We are always trying to improve, trying to optimize, trying to regulate, okay? So what I will show you now is that if we go to the top, this is the equity curve of points. And the market, this is a very decent curve, okay, not the best, but it's still a decent curve that it's always going up. This over here is a trend line that we've put onto the equity curve or onto our profit and loss curve or onto the curve of the points that have been generated on an accumulative basis, okay? So this line over here, you can see the market went up, it's moved up, it's made higher highs. You know, there have been dips, so you can see there have been weeks of dips, and then it goes up to all-time highs. And then over here on the 44th week, we hit all-time highs on the portfolio. Then it came down and it touched that point, but then it broke below. Now, because it broke below, it means that the system is in a risky market environment and in a drawdown. Okay? So we are continuously going to update these trades, these overnight trades. And when the market turns up and it goes up, and it breaks above this all-time high, then we are back, baby, not only for the overnight system, but even more for the high probability system, because they are very highly correlated, but we have optimized our system. So if you look here, here is the, let me try to find it. Okay, so these are the medium probability trades. You can see why we avoid medium probability trades because it's just not worth it. Here is the stats. Here is the index, and here is the weekly stats on the high probability trade. So take a look at this. So this is with the optimized system and the optimized track record. Beautiful. Never broken below the black line. Continuously gone up, okay? And we are continuously trying to improve it so that we can get that curve a little bit steeper. But as things stand, the high probability approach is very good. You can see that there is this dip and it might go a little bit sideways for a bit, okay? But when that market or when the portfolio goes to all-time highs, it makes it all worth it. That is how trading works. Also, a tip that I do is when the market goes to all-time highs, I deposit a lot more money into my portfolio because the confidence level's gone up. I've done away with another drawdown. The system continues to flourish regardless of the environment. And then I just keep doing what I'm doing. And until the market breaks below this black level, that's when this black line, that's when I hold trading, continue to take the trades, jot down the trades, and then let the market turn up. So right now, this is a risky market environment, okay? So because it's below the black line, so we are in risky territory. Okay. So that is risky territory. Below this black line is risky. We need to turn up and go to all-time highs, okay? So obviously the medium probability trades are even riskier now to take. The overnight trades are risky to take. The high probability trades we're still taking because the market is continuously going up in terms of the equity curve. But I'm still going to tell you that we are in a risky market environment regardless of how the high probability trades are doing. And with December, I do not expect fireworks, but I have been surprised many times with trading. And so it can possibly be another December that we can be highly surprised. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. Here are the stats. You can see it has from, okay, so J's top 40. Is it a buy or a sell? The entry date, the exit date. What day was it? What pattern was it? What week number is it? Was it a win? Was it a loss? What is the entry, stop loss, take profit, and close price? And then here you've got the risk and the move, how many points we risked, the week number again, the exposure in, the exposure out to get the profit and loss and costs. Okay. And so that's what I wanted to show you on how to establish on whether the market is in a risky market environment and what we need to do. So that is a good question. What do we need to do? So on my side, I'm continuously trading the high probability trading system, of course. I'm risking about 0.5% per trade. I'm not worried. The medium probability trades I've done away with, okay, but I am jotting them down. I'm still tracking them. Same with the Monday trades, still tracking them down, still jotting them down. Occasionally I'll send you one or two, but I'm not taking those trades right now because they are too risky at the moment, okay? And that's due to this chart that I just showed you. This is risky. Doesn't mean the system is broken, no, but it means that the system is on hold because the market environment is not conducive. Is it just with the multi-trader system program, multi-system system? No. I know countless traders who are struggling right now with volatility and with the market's movements and with the non-conducive conditions in many different ways, in trending, in breakout, in smart money concepts, in volume spread analysis and fundamental analysis. Everybody is struggling at the moment, except probably range bounded traders, which we will celebrate their wins right now. Okay, so it is a tricky market environment. I've seen this countless times. It's called a drawdown. Okay, when it breaks below that black line, it means that we can hold trading or trade very little, but learn. You are going to learn so much through drawdowns compared to winners. When you're going through winning streaks, you learn nothing. Okay, you learn maybe a little bit. But during drawdowns and through downside, that is where the learning really takes place. Remember, it's December. It's a slow month, but you can gain a lot of experience through that. We learn from our drawdowns, not from our winners. Remember that.